S7 Edge the second time here. So the thing is that I dropped this phone 4 times in a single day, and you know, it got cracked 3 times. So yeah, I'm a really unlucky person. So sorry for the broken glass on this phone here. Right, but now we are going to install the Galaxy S9 ROM on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So I will split this video into 2 parts as always. In the first part of this video we are going to install this ROM. I'm going to guide you all the steps, and after that we are also going to take a short look on the Galaxy S9 full ported ROM. Right, so now let's start with the installation. So before we start to install this ROM, there are a couple of things which you need to do. So the first thing is to install TWRP on your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. If you haven't done that already, you can watch some other videos on YouTube showing you how to do that. Right, the second thing which you need to do is to download the ROM. So you can download the ROM from the description of this video. And yeah, after that you are ready to install this ROM. So the first thing which you need to do is to power off your device and boot into TWRP. So let's power off this phone here. And to boot to the TWRP recovery, you need to press the volume up button, the home button and the power button at the same time. So let's do that. So here we are in the TWRP recovery. So the first thing which you need to do is go to the wipe option here and press on advanced wipe. Here you need to select Devlik, System, Data and Cache. So this will basically erase all your apps, but your internal storage will still be there. So all your music files or all your documents will still be in the internal storage, but you will lose all your apps and all your settings, etc. Then you need to swipe to wipe. After this is finished, you can go back, go to the install option and locate the ROM where you have stored it. In my case, it's in the internal storage. Just press on it and locate your ROM. So this here is the ROM, SAC23 ported S9 ROM. So after you have selected this ROM, you just need to swipe to flash. So as you can see, the installation process is finished now. After this is finished, you can reboot the system and just wait until the phone boots up to the new system. So as you can see, the phone booted up now, and this here is the introduction menu of the Galaxy S9 port. So let's say start here. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi network quickly. So as you can see here, this is one of the small changes here. Here you can select use volume keys for media, so every time when you press on the volume keys, the volume of the media will be changed. So here, as you can see, we got a couple of ways to protect our phone. So intelligent scan won't work, face recognition may work, I'm not quite sure. Iris scanner won't work, of course, because we haven't got that sensor over there, but the fingerprint scanner should work just fine. So let's test that. You can see the fingerprint scanner works just fine over here. So here we can change the way or the look of the notifications on the lock screen. So you can hide the content from here. You can also show the notification dots only, and you can even scale the transparency of the notifications from here, which is really amazing in my opinion. But I'm only going to show the icons of the notifications. As you can see, the ROM has also got the Google Assistant on board, but now we are going to skip that quickly. And here we go. So this here is the home screen of the Galaxy S9 port, as you can see. So you got the S9 launcher over here, which looks also really nice. You got all the new icons of the Galaxy S9. So as you can see, the messages thing has got a new icon over there, for example. And as you can see, this ROM is really bloated, so it hasn't got any bloatware on top. So this is a really nice thing. Right, so here we got the new notification panel with new colors over here. As you can see, the blue color is a little more deep now, so it's a deep blue. And yeah, so in total it looks really similar to the stock Oreo of the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the S7 Edge, but there are a few differences between this ROM and the stock ROM. And now we are going to take a look at all of these differences. So as I've told you already, there are not that big differences on this Galaxy S9 port and the stock Oreo ROM of the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, but there are a few differences. So the biggest difference probably are the new wallpapers. So you got plenty of new live wallpapers, or infinity wallpapers, how Samsung is calling them. So you can see that you got these Galaxy S9 wallpapers here, and these standard wallpapers, and you also got these wallpapers with this 9 over here, and you also got this Galaxy S3 style wallpaper of the Samsung Galaxy S9. And yeah, so let's select this one, for example, and let's say set as wallpaper. And as you can see, you got this gray wallpaper, so it looks like I'm not quite sure, but it looks to be blue through the camera, but actually it's gray. And if we turn on the screen here, you can see that the live wallpaper is also on the always on display. If you turn on the screen, it will be on the lock screen, and if you unlock your phone, you will have this new animation, which looks really amazing in my opinion. So another new difference here is the Messages app. So as you can see, it has got a new color over there, which looks also really amazing. And the app itself has also got a new redesign. So as you can see, the app is blue now, and it looks a little bit different. So there are small design changes in this app. So unfortunately, we didn't get the Galaxy S9 camera together with this ROM. So this is probably the only thing which hasn't been ported from the Galaxy S9. So as you can see here, we have this Oreo camera on board of the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, which is similar to the Galaxy S8's Oreo camera. So here you can enable this full screen mode, you can go to the settings and so on. So as you can see, they are still the same settings, and there's actually nothing new over here. So the performance of this ROM is quite similar to the performance of the S7 Edge running on the stock ROM on Oreo, so you won't notice any big differences on the performance. Battery wise, it's also quite similar to the stock Android Oreo ROM. It may be a little bit worse than the stock ROM, since this is a Galaxy S9 port, but yeah, you will definitely get one full day. And let's see here, let's take a look at the memory usage over here, the RAM usage. Let's clean the RAM quickly here, and now you can see that this ROM uses like half of the RAM, so they are like 2 GB free, and the ROM itself uses 1.8 GB, which is a quite decent number for an Oreo ROM. And yeah, this should be it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up.